video camera and it's watching us and taking moving pictures of what we're doing. You know what else it's doing? It's listening to us. And I think it would be nice if we all went around the table and told our name and how old we were. Who would like to start?
You start with
Matthew? Matthew.
You start, Matthew. Tell me, look in the camera and tell me what your name is.
Matthew.
And how old are you? Very good.
Okay. How about you?
Oh, okay.
What's your name?
Me.
No? What's your name?
Sarah.
And how old are you, Sarah?
I'm 4.
All right, let's go to the next.
Who's over here?
Michael.
And how old are you, Michael?
4.
Who's this? Want to say that? This is Ivy, and she is 3. Josh? Is this Josh?
Oh, come on. Yeah.
Who's that? Can you say what your name is?
Joshua.
And how old are you?
3.
Okay, how about you? Look at the camera.
Over here. What's your name?
Frida.
And how old are you, Frida?
3.5.
Very good.
It's your turn now. It's your turn now.
What's your name?
This is a special time for you.
What's your name, Derek?
I think Derek's gotten a little camera shy today.
I think so.
Who's this?
Well, that's because I'm here.
Who's that? How old are you, Lisa? You're 3. How about you?
All right, I'll go home then.
Oops, excuse
What's
me.
your name? You're 4. Why don't you say your name? Over here. Okay. Who's this? And how old are you, Allison? How about you? What's your name? And how old are you? Scott was just 4 this week.
Really?
Who's this over here? And how old are you, Julie?
3.
And who's this? Jordan. How old are you, Jordan? 4.
Very good.
And I'm
Is
not
that everybody?
And I'm not going to tell you how old I am.
How about you, Mrs. V?
Don't ask me.
Well, that's Mrs. B, and that's as far as we'll go on that.
And you, Ellen? How old are you? You'll never say, right?
And this is Derek. I don't understand this.
I think because we're here today.
Temperamental movie star.
Yeah, because when Mommy and Daddy said
Derek, this is very special. You're going to get to keep this and see it again.
That's right.
So everyone should be on their very best acting. We'll all be the best actors and actresses. Okay, it's time to light our candles and have our